This $20 tool saved me from a $500 repair, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. You know that feeling. You're driving to work, everything's fine, and then bam, that dreaded check engine light pops on. Your heart sinks, your wallet cries. You're thinking, how much is this going to cost me? Well, what if I told you that before you drive to the mechanic and hand over $100 just for them to plug in a scanner, you could do it yourself in your driveway in about 5 minutes?
103 out. Yeah, they have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s.
Hit that subscribe button right now if you want to stop throwing money away on simple car fixes, because today I'm showing you the secret tool that mechanics don't want you to know about. Stick with me for 8 minutes and you'll never fear that check engine light again. Let's talk about what actually happens when that light comes on. Most people, they panic. They immediately think my transmission's dying or my engine's about to explode. So what do? They drive straight to the mechanic. The mechanic says we'll need to run a diagnostic. That'll be $75 to $150 just to tell you what's wrong. Not to fix it, just to tell you. Then they come back with a quote. Sometimes it's legit. Sometimes, let's just say, some shops see that panic in your eyes and suddenly your $50 fix becomes a $500 emergency. Here's the thing, and this is what blew my mind when I first learned it. That check engine light is your car's way of talking to you. It's literally storing a code that tells you exactly what triggered the light. Your car has a computer. When something goes wrong, it saves an error code, like when your phone crashes and saves an error log. Same concept. The mechanics, they're just plugging in a device that reads that code. That's it. 5 minutes, $100 from your pocket. But here's what they don't tell you. You can read that same code with the same type of tool for $20. All right, here's the game changer. It's called an OBD2 scanner. OBD stands for onboard diagnostics. Fancy name, simple tool. This little device plugs into your car and reads those error codes in seconds. Now, there are expensive ones that mechanics use. Those can cost $3,000 to $5,000. But for checking your check engine light, you don't need that. A basic OBD2 reader from Amazon for $20 to $40 works perfectly. I'll drop a link to the one I use in the description below. Yes, it's an affiliate link, which means if you buy through it, I get a tiny commission at no extra cost to you. That's how I keep making these free videos for you. Let me break down the math here because it's insane. Mechanic diagnosis, $100 on average. OBD2 scanner, $25 one-time purchase. Your savings, $75. But wait, it gets better. You can use the scanner forever. Every time that light comes on, every car you own. Let's say the light comes on 3 times over the next few years. That's $300 saved, minimum. This is literally the best $25 you'll ever spend on your car, period. Okay, let's get into how to actually use this thing. I promise you, if you can plug in a phone charger, you can do this. First, you need to find your OBD2 port. Every car made after 1996 has one. By law. So if your car is from 96 or newer, you're good to go. Where is it? It's always somewhere under your dashboard on the driver's side. Most common spot, right below the steering wheel. Just stick your head down there and look up. It's usually a trapezoid-shaped port with 16 pins in it. Sometimes it's hidden behind a little plastic cover. Sometimes it's tucked way up there. In some cars, I'm looking at you, BMW, they hide it in weird spots. But 90% of the time, right there under the steering wheel. Can't find it? Google your car model plus OBD2 port location. Takes 30 seconds. Once you find it, this part is stupid easy. Take your scanner, line it up with the port, push it in firmly until you hear it click or it won't go any further. Now, here's the key. Turn your ignition to the on position. Not all the way to start the engine, just turn the key until your dashboard lights up. If you have a push button start, press it once without your foot on the brake. Your scanner should light up or power on. If it doesn't, wiggle the connection a bit. Make sure it's seated properly. Okay, now your scanner is on. Most basic scanners have a simple menu. You're looking for something that says read codes or scan or diagnose. Use the arrows or buttons to navigate to that option. Hit enter or OK, and boom, there's your code. P0420 or P0300 always starts with a letter, then 4 numbers. Write this down. Take a picture with your phone, whatever. You need to remember this code. Some scanners will also show you a short description, like catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Don't worry if that sounds like gibberish. We're about to translate it. Pro tip: some cars store multiple codes. Your scanner will show you all of them. Write them all down. Sometimes one problem causes another, so you want the full picture. Now comes the detective work. Take that code you just wrote down and Google it. Literally just type P0420 code, or whatever your code is. You'll find tons of free websites that explain exactly what that code means. My favorites are obd-codes.com and enginelight.com. Totally free, super detailed. These sites will tell you what system is affected, what specifically is wrong, how serious it is, common causes, possible fixes. For example, P0420, that's your catalytic converter efficiency. It might mean you need a new catalytic converter, or it might just mean you need a new oxygen sensor. Big difference in price. This is where you save the real money, because now you can research the actual problem before walking into a shop. You can get second opinions, you can shop around, you have the power.